What is up, you guys? I'm here back with another video, and today is gonna be part 2 to the rebuilding the wrecked Sierra. And today I'm gonna be recording by myself because my brother is busy. You know, we have a lot of work. We have a truck that we need to get done already, so we really haven't have time to do this truck. So I'm gonna be doing the most that I can today. We're gonna see how far we get to. We do have to remove the fender and the bumper left. And after that, start putting all the parts. Basically got almost the whole front end. We're missing a little bit of miscellaneous parts like brackets. And I know for sure we're missing the two headlights and the grill. And a little couple brackets here and there. We got the radiator, the condenser, the core support, the fender, the hood, the bumper pad. So we're just missing a little few things right now, and I'm sitting in the truck because outside it's windy. Today's Thanksgiving morning. It's like 7:30 in the morning, so happy Thanksgiving to everybody who's watching. Guys, don't forget, I forgot to mention in the last video, but at 1,000 subscribers, we will be giving $100 away. So you guys subscribe, hit that like button, comment. All right, yes, guys, so let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and show y'all the parts that we have in. And yeah. Also, maybe my dad might be helping me later on. He's also working on a car. I'm not too sure, but he might. Y'all might see him in the video later on helping me put all this stuff together. If not, it's just gonna be by myself. So yeah, let's go. All right, you guys. So yeah, these are the radiator and the condenser. They are not new. They're dirty, but they still work. Okay, so yeah. I mean, right here, these are some brackets that we have from the old part, but here's our new core support. This right here is our bumper. We have the fender right there. We have the hood right there. The bumper pad is inside of the truck. So yeah, guys, let's get started. All right, guys, so I'm probably gonna start by taking off this fender and then moving towards this bumper. And after that, clean up all these leaves and stuff, and then start probably putting on the core support. See y'all later. Okay, guys, so I'm just gonna be removing these two bolts left, this one, and the fender should be coming out right there. Hopefully this fender comes off, and we can start putting on the core support. It's kind of hard to record at this. Alright, you guys, I finally got the bumper off. As you can see, this was the part I was having trouble on this part because the bolt is supposed to be able to slide right out like this one. You see, this one didn't get damaged, so the bolt just boom will slide out right easily. But since this one was damaged right here, this is where I had trouble on. You can see it's all bent, so there's no way to get it from the top. So I had to get this pry bar right here and then bend it as much as I can. And when we got it off, the whole front is off already. I'm just gonna clean up all these leaves and probably start mounting the core support. Alright, you guys, my phone had died, so I don't know where it cut off at, but this is what we have done. My dad is finally out here helping me, so we're probably gonna speed it up a little bit more. So yeah, stay tuned. here's a quick update. I had to have the charger and stuff. Look, here's a quick update. We got all the pretty much all the cooling system. We just need to put the plugs into the fan. These lines are good. You need to put this line to the radiator, and that's pretty much it. So yeah guys, here's a little update. All the cooling is pretty much done. It looks like we're gonna be putting the fender next, and probably the hood. The bumper we're not gonna be able to put on because we are missing a bracket. The grill and all that stuff, we're not gonna put them on because we don't have them. Alright guys, so this is what we got done today. We pretty much got all the cooling system down. We got this fender down. We got the hood down. We have the bumper. We also have the bumper pad. But on this side, we are missing the bumper bracket. We didn't get the bumper bracket. That's why we didn't put this on. We didn't buy the grill or the headlights yet. We are going to be getting those soon. But we pretty much got it all done now. We're missing the water reservoir. But that's pretty much it. This hood is not aligned yet. We still need to align it. I just put the hood on so we don't get no more leaves in the engine bay. I'm trying to do a video at least once a week. We are pretty busy with work. And this one I started recording this one by myself because my brother, he was working on another truck that we need to get done. If y'all can see right here, we also have this Tundra that we're gonna need to get done too. You guys also don't forget, at 1,000 subscribers, we are going to be giving $100 to one of you guys. So to order to win, you have to be subscribed. Yeah guys, that's it. We'll see you on the next one.